Now I'm telling the phonic sounds of letter. This is a letters of A to Z and sound of a letter and examples of that sound. From A to Z, we can start from A letter. First A letter of that sound A. An example of that A is apple. And B of that sound is ba. Ba. And example ball. And C of sound is ka. Ka. And example is cat. And D letter sound is da. And example is dog. And E letter and sound is a. A. And the example is elephant. And F and sound is f. F. And example fish. And G and sound is ga. Ga. And example goat. And H sound is ha. And example hat. And I and sound is I. And example igloo. And J and sound is j. And example is jug. And K and sound is K is kha. Kha. And example is kite. And L letter and sound is la. La. And example line. And M and sound is m. M. And example monkey. And N and sound is n. And example nest. And O of letter of O is sound is O. O. And the example orange. And P sound is P. P. And example penguin. And Q and sound is Qua. Qua. And example queen. And R and sound is R. R. And example rabbit. And S and sound is S. And example is sun. And T sound is T. T. And example turtle. And U and sound is A. And example umbrella. And V sound is V. And example van. And W and sound is V. And example watermelon. And S sound is S. And example box. And Y sound is A. And example is yellow. And Z and sound is phonic sound is J. And example zebra. Thank you.